Oh, dang. It's hitting the oil pan. You can see the scrape right there.
Is there anything leaking?
No, not yet. Not yet. It's in between the frame and the oil pan. All right, let's get to it. Hey guys, Rhino here. So again, so I just came back from recovering the Bronco, you know, from the last video. I got home, I wasn't there for like 5 minutes when I got another call, and this time we're heading back to Lido Creek. We're gonna be getting close to Mount Baldy, and there's a Nissan Titan, and it got stuck over a rock. So there was somebody there to help the guy out, but the straps they had, they were kind of they were not strong enough, so they snapped. I'm not sure how bad it is, but the guy wasn't able to recover him. So we're heading that way right now, and of course, you know, once I get there, I'll keep recording. And thank you for coming along. So what happened? How did you get stuck up there?
So we're having fun. My homie tiene una troca pesada como la tuya. Es una Sierra.
Okay.
So he's like, oh, I just got some tires. Let's go break them in. Lido Creek, right? Llegamos. It was cool. Pero fuimos pasando donde acaba el road. ¿Cómo le dije? Se llamaba Baldy Road.
Ajá.
Donde Baldy Road acaba, ahí empieza el trail.
Okay.
So we went past the first little campsite, and then you know how you go to the top. Careful, sorry. You know how you go to the top?
Sí.
Y ahí está una fensa blanca que siempre te bloquea to go left, pero la right sí está abierta.
Okay.
So fuimos a la right one. So ahí quedamos y no fuimos tan lejos, maybe like a couple hundred feet forward. Y cuando me di la vuelta, cuando dijimos, no, ¿sabes qué? Mejor irnos a la casa. It's getting late. It was already like 5:30, 6:30.
Okay.
So we're like, let's turn around. All right, cool. And look, I turned around. I was like in a trail, and I kind of got stuck.
¿No viste la roca?
La roca, yeah. Como la troca no está alta la mía, pero tú sabes que a veces no se ve todo.
Sí.
Yeah, so
Yeah, same thing happened to me once. Una vez vine a hacer un recovery,
yeah.
and same thing. I was turning around, and I went over a rock too.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah.
On the right side too? On the left
Yeah,
side?
I think it was on that side.
Yeah,
You can see it on YouTube. I have the video there.
Oh no way, yeah.
Yeah.
I was checking out your Instagram.
You did?
Yeah, that shit was badass, bro. I saw the ¿cuál era a black Ram, I think, or a black Silverado that was on the cliff.
That was
the most dangerous one you
a
done.
GMC.
Wow, bro, that was so scary. What do you do in that situation? Let's say se te va la troca. Do you cut your line?
Well, first of all, I was like,
I saw you. You're
On
in a
the
vertical
mountain.
angle, bro. You're on the edge of the other left side of the mountain. He was on the right side of the mountain.
yeah.
That
No,
was scary.
I was down the mountain. We had like I don't know, like a 200 feet of line from the bottom of the mountain up, holding the Sierra in place.
Oh yeah.
So I was anchoring it, you know, con
Yeah,
mi,
pulling
con mi,
it
con mi
with the
winch.
hitch.
Ajá.
Winch.
Y el Jeep estaba jalándolo hacia atrás. It was pulling it backwards, you know.
Bro.
So, I mean, we have enough straps to anchor it good, you know, so it
Good,
wouldn't go. Yeah, but if he was to go,
This is heavier. It was this
yeah,
one? This one's heavier, huh? No la
yeah,
deja?
no la deja ir.
Oh, that's crazy.
No, especially porque I was like this, like, you know, like looking
angle,
up.
yeah.
So it wouldn't take me for sure.
No.
Más fácil que se reventara las líneas.
snap, yeah.
Yeah. Pero yeah, that
You
one
gotta
was
see that video,
crazy.
bro. You gotta see that video. It was crazy. Yeah, I saw it. I was looking at all your videos. I was like, oh my god, this was for real.
So your homie, did he try to pull you out?
Yeah. We tried. He tried me from the rear. Then he tried me from the front, but we only had those cheap straps.
The little ones?
Yeah.
From Autosun?
They kept snapping, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I think he would have been able to get me if he said con soga. My
Yeah,
homie said he would've got me with soga.
something stronger, he wouldn't be able to pull you out. Maybe, you know, you would have damaged something. Because you gotta be careful, you know, when
The
you
straps snap and they could break a window, break a...
Not just that, but like when they
frame.
pull you, you're over a rock, right?
Yeah.
And they pull you. And if you're not careful, because can damage something,
The
you know.
frame.
Yeah, something
Yeah.
worse.
Oh, wow.
Maybe not the frame, but
transmission,
the tie rod, you know, you could like bend it.
the A-rods.
Yeah, the air rod,
Yeah.
the lines, you know, the brake lines sometimes, you know, could be in the way. I don't know.
Right.
Things like that. So,
Are you sure we could pull them? Let's try it. So we tried pulling nada. The snaps, you know. Then we did the front, same thing. They snap.
so let me ask you this: when he tried to pull you, were you giving a gas?
He said slowly. He said,
But you did, right?
yeah.
All right.
Yeah, he said slowly.
Yeah, because if you try to pull it with no, you know,
No
just
prep.
dead weight,
Yeah.
you know,
He's not gonna do it.
Yeah, no.
No, yeah. He was the first time it was in reverse, so I had it in reverse. He's like, all right, just put it on reverse for low, go do it. And I was going, and then he's like, all right, 1, 2, 3, so in 3. Él le hizo, yo le hice, él estaba quemando, like his tires were burning.
Yeah.
And then that's when they just snapped. Like, all right, leave it. They, all right. Then we did it again from the front, same thing.
What about your tires? Were your tires spinning?
Yeah, they were spinning.
Okay.
Yeah. Están quemando, but right there it was like, he's like, dude, you're just making the hole bigger.
Yeah,
He's like,
yeah.
we gotta put rocks. He's like, we gotta get you in the air, put rocks, and then put you back down on top of the rocks.
Yeah.
That's what he said, because like the dirt's not helping.
The guy that I did over there on South del Monte, in the Little Wash,
Yeah.
él estaba atorado, abajo de él había un stump, you know, como de un poste de
De los
light pole.
amarillos para que no pases, huh?
No, this is light poles, you know, the
Oh,
light
yeah.
pole. Pero it was like cut, like
They
almost to the ground.
left it there.
Yeah, they left that little stump, and the guy went over it and got stuck, and he was spinning his tires and everything. So,
Even on 4x4?
sí, y two Rams and a Jeep trataron de sacarlo,
Nada.
and they couldn't. Y si lo hubieran jalado a fuerza, lo hubieran dañado porque el
Hasta
stump
más.
estaba en medio del oil pan,
Oh,
básicamente.
yeah.
So,
So,
hubieran
¿cómo le
dañado
hiciste
algo. So, I did lo que dijiste ahorita. You know,
Mounted.
I jacked it up, lift it up, put sand under it, you know, lift it more, put more sand,
And rocks.
lift it more, yeah, until it clear it.
Oh, yeah.
Ajá,
He
y-
has to be in the air.
Ajá, y luego ya yo lo agarré con el winch y lo jalé despacito para que no se dañara.
Aquí.
Sí.
Look, the wrench is right here, bro, on the right.
Yep. All right, and we found it.
That's right.
So, let's get to it.
So this is where I flipped it around that rock, and I didn't see the rock that's under my right wheel.
Okay, I see that. All right, let's go check it out and see what we need to do. That's a nice bumper though. All right, let's see. Whoa,
No, I just hit him right now.
big rock. So all you need is a winch on this thing.
So I have the setup, I just don't have the wheel.
Yeah. Oh, dang. It's hitting the oil pan. You can see that. You can see the scrape right there.
Is there anything leaking?
No, not yet. Not yet. So let's lift it up and see how we're gonna clear this. All right. Look at that. It's in between the frame and the oil pan. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so I lift it up. We got rocks under it, still not clearing it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go on the side, lift it up more, and put more rocks until we're able to clear it and pull it back. Okay, so we put more rocks under it. The jack, as you can see, is like sideways right now, but look at that. It's already clearing. You see that? It's clearing. We just need to get more rocks on this side and some more on the other side, and we should be able to pull it back. Maybe some rocks on the back because it's also digging. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, dang. Okay, so it's clearing now, but it's gonna hit. It'll probably hit that, but I'm not sure because once the tires go on top of the rocks, it should be enough lift to clear it. So we'll see. We're gonna give it a try and see what happens. Don't let it go hasta que yo te diga. Okay, let it go. Watch your hand. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good, it's good.
Espérame. ¿Va a pegar con algo?
Okay, turn the wheel like, see?
No, not yet.
Straight?
Hold on. Okay, ready? Let's go. Yeah, you're gonna clear it. Whoop, there it is. Keep going, keep going. I'll tell you when to stop.
Final recovery for the win.
There you go, thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There you go. Yeah, look at the bigger rock. I mean, the truck is tall enough, but it, this was kind of a drop right here. So he's clear, and now we need to tow it out. All right, let's go. Okay, so he cleared the rock, but the truck is not starting. So I'm gonna go in front of him. I'm gonna go in front of him, and just in case, he gets stuck. Right now, because we're going downhill, he's gonna try to ride the truck like that as far as possible. And then if he gets stuck, I get him out again.
This looks so badass.
All right, here we go. I'm not sure why my rear camera looks so blurry right now. But he's moving. Just so you know, the truck is not on. He's just coasting. And here he comes to this area right here where all right. We made it. So he's coming. He's still going. So let's go. We'll make it up the hill. Oh yeah, he made it. Let's go. So there's some big rocks right here, and he stopped. He can go, so we're just gonna push it real quick, give it another boost, and he'll be able to go. This is the part where it got crazy right here. Okay. Yeah. Oh shoot. All right. Now I'm gonna have to pull him with the truck. Okay, let's go.
I was avoiding the rock.
Oh, I see. Yeah, but you went like straight into all the other way. So he hit a stump. No, hold on. And it's like up in the air, the tire. All right. We hooked it up to the tree over there and to the rear so we can pull it back and clear the stump. So let's go. Moving right now, but it's also moving the okay, it's going. Okay, can he
Maybe more, huh?
I don't know, can he clear it?
Turn it. Yeah, you can clear it. Turn it.
Give it some gas.
It's the wheel is touching the...
Okay, I'm gonna let you go forward and start turning right now.
Oh, just go back a little more. Just a little.
There.
Now forward.
Yeah, forward. Ready? There. That's good.
Turn left.
That should be good. Is it clear in it?
Yeah.
All right. That should be good. Yeah, push it a little bit. There he goes. Oh, shoot. There, brake. So that way we have momentum right now. Once I release you. All right, park it. Okay. We're moving again. So let's go. Okay, so as soon as we got level, they were not able to keep going, you know, because the truck doesn't start. So I strapped it and I'm towing it right now. We're almost at the exit of the riverbed anyway. We're still gonna get to the shooting range, and from there on they're gonna call the AAA tow truck, whatever. So here we go. This is the final stretch before the shooting range. So we're almost out. Okay guys, so we made it out in one piece. We have to tow it for, you know, maybe a good mile or, you know, something like that. But he made it out. No damages to the oil pan or anything under. And of course, you know, I always take care of you guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you for following us. And we'll see you next time.